Yo friends, welcome back. Let's make delicious roasted turmeric fish fillet recipe today. It tastes so good and is a recipe you must not miss. Save the recipe now so you can refer back when you want to make it at home. Wash and pat fry fish fillet, then seasoning to taste in fridge to marinate. Drizzle cooking oil on aluminum foil, arrange fish fillet on top and remember to leave a gap between fish fillets. Send to oven and roast fish fillet for 20 minutes. Flip to another side and continue roasting until both sides are crispy and cooked.
Look at that, smells so good.
Roasted turmeric fish fillet are ready to be served. It's so easy, right? You may marinate fish fillets overnight for better taste, so you can have delicious roasted fish fillet anytime as a quick meal. Give it a try, it's really easy and tasty.